in the movie, The Legend of Bhagavans, produced by Robert Redford. It's a Hollywood movie, not a Bollywood movie. And it's based on a book called Gita on the Green. It's about a golfer. And the whole movie is about how do you apply the principles of Gita on the golf course. Any of you are golfers, you can see that movie. Even otherwise, I recommend you see that movie. And the golfer's name, the disciple, he's the disciple. And the caddy, you know who the caddy is? The guy who carries the golf clubs around. He's the guru, Will Smith. So the guru, his name is Bhagavans. Does it ring a bell? Bhagavan. And the golfer's name is Ranolph Jr. He's called R. Jr. for short. No prizes for guessing that. Arjuna. And this golfer is thinking of himself all the time. This is what happens to us. You come across one little misfortune, one little thing goes wrong in your life, and you're constantly feeling sorry for yourself, self-pity, thinking of yourself all the time, and that whatever little chance you have of getting over that problem is gone. That's what happened to him. So he's thinking of himself so much, he doesn't even see the ball, he's playing so badly, that once when he goes and asks the caddy, which club do I use? He said, it doesn't matter. Whatever you use, you're playing so badly, you lose. Then he goes and asks him. He says, what's going wrong? What do I have to do? And he says, Bhagavan says, there's a perfect shot waiting out there. There's perfection waiting within you. You don't have to look for it outside. It's all within you. All you got to do is get yourself out of the way. Get this thought of self out of the way. Just stop thinking of yourself. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Stop worrying about yourself. And the excellence that is already in you will just flow effortlessly. That's all you have to do. The entire spiritual path is about how to get yourself out of the way.